Hello everybody. Welcome back to Channel Best Woodworking. Witness the heart-stopping spectacle of a giant logging truck traversing treacherous terrain with breathtaking precision. Perched dangerously on a path full of cliffs, the giant vehicle is bracing itself up the treacherous road, defying gravity with every calculated move. With nerves of steel, the driver bravely navigates rough roads and steep inclines, demonstrating unparalleled driving virtuosity. Each slope is a testament to the rider's unparalleled skill and unwavering determination. Against the backdrop of rugged mountains and dizzying heights, the truck becomes a symbol of human ingenuity and courage. The audience held their breath as the truck approached the dangerous part, but the massive wooden tree's trunk swayed precariously due to its overload. However, with relentless focus, the driver still moves forward, despite all difficulties, and conquers seemingly insurmountable challenges.
In West Borneo, where the landscape wears the rugged terrain like a cloak, the Cat D6R XL emerges as a hero, wielding a mighty 80 centimeters by 20 MTR natural wood winch. In this vast wilderness, where the ground is covered in slippery mud and the trees stand tall and entrenched, the D6R XL becomes a symbol of strength and resilience. Its purpose is clear: to pull those giant tree trunks out of the mud, preparing them for their journey to waiting trucks. Each pull is a testament to its power, each movement a precise ballet against the chaos of nature. However, even the most skilled truck drivers can find themselves at the mercy of nature. As trucks loaded with ancient tree trunks travel down treacherous roads, they encounter the inevitable: a puddle of mud that threatens to swallow them whole. Here, their journey had to rely on crawler bulldozers to escort them through the slippery road. But hope comes in the form of trusty tracked bulldozers who protect the slippery dirt roads. With skillful movements, they pulled and pushed the giant lumbering truck together, using their strength to pull it along. Together, they form a determined convoy, moving forward despite all difficulties.
Next, another truck traverses the treacherous road, the heavy logging truck fighting against nature's relentless grip on the slippery, muddy road. Each rotation of the tires is a precarious dance between traction and inertia, with the truck's enormous weight threatening to sink it into the mud below. However, amid this treacherous terrain, the real magic lies not only in the car's power but also in the driver's sheer skill. With each calculated maneuver, the driver showcases an unparalleled mastery of their craft, deftly steering the lumbering behemoth through the quagmire with finesse and precision. Every twist and turn demands unwavering focus and split-second decision-making as the truck teeters on the brink of disaster, the slightest misstep risking catastrophe. However, even the most skilled driver cannot brave such peril alone. To ensure the safe passage of the timber-laden truck, a convoy of crawler bulldozers and tractors stands ready to offer support. These sturdy machines serve as guardians, clearing obstacles and providing much-needed stability to prevent the truck from succumbing to the unforgiving terrain. Together, driver and escort forge ahead, their efforts a testament to human ingenuity and resilience in the face of adversity. Each passing obstacle becomes a triumph of teamwork and determination, as the convoy inches closer to its destination against all odds.
Next, in the heart of a winter forest, where the air is frosty, a logging truck moves gracefully like a dancer on steep snow-covered roads. Its massive frame moves across rugged terrain with the dexterity of a seasoned artist, defying the laws of physics as it balances tons of wood on its back. When traversing the slope, each ascent is a testament to the rider's unparalleled skill and nerves of steel. With precision and control, they attempt to traverse this difficult slope, expertly avoiding obstacles while maintaining the perfect balance between speed and caution. Each maneuver is a high-stakes performance, where one wrong move could spell disaster. However, with steadfast focus and years of experience, they conquer the icy slopes with unmatched strength.
Next, navigating steep roads and sharp curves aboard a tractor laden with timber is a feat of mastery. Each lumbering advance demands precision, a delicate dance of forward momentum and strategic retreat. With every slow revolution of the wheels, the driver orchestrates a symphony of control, balancing the weight of the cargo against the relentless pull of gravity. Each turn becomes a calculated negotiation, requiring not only forward thrust but also strategic reversals to maneuver through the treacherous twists and turns. The tractor, a behemoth of steel and determination, strains against the incline, its engine a steady heartbeat echoing in the rugged terrain. The driver, a maestro of the mountain, relies on instinct honed through years of experience to navigate this perilous path. Every inch gained is a triumph over the formidable forces of nature, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience in the face of adversity. In this rugged landscape, where every slope presents a challenge and every bend holds a potential obstacle, the skill of driving a tractor loaded with wood transcends mere transportation. It becomes a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who dare to tame the untamed.
Next, the overloaded logging truck moves along the rugged mountain slopes. This giant logging truck defies gravity and danger. Their sheer size and weight make them wheeled behemoths, moving on narrow, winding paths precariously clinging to steep cliffs. Each turn is a heart-stopping challenge, as heavy trucks strain against the force of nature. Their engines roaring with determination, loaded with huge logs, they inched forward, their cargo adding to the danger of the journey. Every moment is a battle against the elements. As drivers skillfully navigate sharp turns and treacherous terrain, the slightest miscalculation could cause them to fall into the abyss below. But they continue to move forward with nerves of steel. These mountain roads demand respect. punishing any lapse of concentration with unforgiving consequences. But for the drivers of these logging trucks, it's just another day at the office, where every journey is a daring adventure against nature's formidable obstacles.